everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're going to make us a peach cobbler today. We're going to start out, we sprayed and put, they said 8 peaches sliced in the in a baking dish. I use much more than that. And add 2 teaspoons of sugar on them, and they're set aside so we can make the topping. And this is the topping. We're going to start the topping. We're going to start out with three-fourths cup of sugar. And then we'll grab our teaspoons. We add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, one teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, this is peach cobbler. We're making peach cobbler again. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we'll give that a little mixy mix. Get that all mixed in right there. And break up some of those lumps while we do it. And then we'll add, this is a half a stick of melted butter. Gotta have your butter. And we'll give that a stirry stir stir. And then we'll add a cup of flour. Fresh peaches are now coming, I think it's from Georgia up to Ohio. And at certain times of the year they come from Michigan to here. So I figured this would be a nice thing to make right now, to show you something you could do with the peaches that are freshly coming in. It's very simple. Biggest thing is make sure you get the lumps out. Ain't nobody want no lumps. Not even on your head. Okay, and we're gonna set the oven for 350. And here's our peaches. This is why I said I went way over the 6 peaches limit, or 8 peach limit. But I like to let people know that there's peaches in here. I'm not one of those that you get a pie and you're like, I can't find the berries, or I can't find. No, I like you to know they're in there. And then I'm going to just spoon this over the top. Yeah, the peach truck this week, it was so popular place that there was actually a traffic jam, and the police had to do a direct traffic. It was such a busy place this week here in Bowling Green. Well, I don't live very far from Bowling Green, Ohio. That was the big news, is the chaos with the peach truck. It blocked off a whole street. I'll just wipe this off into the batter. then we'll put this in the oven at 350 for 28 to 30 minutes. And have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can find new recipes, new crafting ideas, or just fun things you can do around the house. Talk to you later. Bye.